Well, here's the issue what I am having, and the guy is holding the rock with right hand at the beginning, and then has to move it to second left hand. Everything is perfect in 3D Studio Max. I used link construction, something like that. I don't know English name. Sorry. At the 70 frame, it skipped the hand one to another one. When I export to Unity, it comes like that. At the beginning, it doesn't match with right hand, like it's going somewhere, it's coming from somewhere else, and then it goes to right place. Even I baked my animation, and the rock doesn't match with right hands. Thanks for advice.